Hi everyone, I've been doing something a bit different. I know this is upside down, but it's a large frame. So this one is a 60 by 90 centimetre, and I'm doing my second painting for my hairdresser friend. And I've been using the plastic that I cut off this to cover the back of the frame, and that keeps it all really clean. So I'm going to carefully cut it away, and then I'll use my tape to tape it down on the back of the frame, and then it will keep everything nice and clean. So I'll show you when I'm finished. So I've just carefully cut it away with a little knife just on two sides, the long side and the short side, and then that's enough. I'll just be able to slide the picture out, and then I can just use that to cover the frame at the back, and it will keep it nice and clean. Okay, so I've put the plastic on the back and just taped up around the edges and across the centre. Usually I just use masking tape, but I used the blue painter's tape just so that it was easier to see. And then I've just taped along the timber across here and here. It's nice and secure in the centre. I've put that bit of cardboard there just to help with helping me manage the painting. And then I'll just put my giant push pins in the corner, the middle, the end, and then that's usually what I hold on to when I'm tilting. And I find that works pretty well, and it keeps the back of my canvas clean because, you know, I'm a bit messy, and that's what I do. Okay, bye. Okay, so I've got my pea pads from Angry, and I've pushed my giant push pins in. My canvas nice and level. Some paper towel over there. Just going to paint my border. It's black, so I'll get that edging done, and then I'll be ready to start this one.